Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue. Tap on Allow and click on this gray sweater next to Allow access to manage all files. Then select Browse at the bottom in the middle and click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!